Mm-hmm. What did you make? Asher, what do you have?
A bird.
Is that how you made the snakes, Jake? Jake, where's your river?
Right there.
Asher, where's your river?
Right there. It's not done yet.
It's not done yet? Okay. What did you have on top of the river?
I'm making the snakes black with this kind of river.
Okay. Jake, where are your snakes?
They're right there.
Right there.
They'll go Jake in the mountain that's like a river.
Oh, River Mountain.
Wait, mountain. That.
Where are the fish at? Aren't there fish in the river? That's what I wonder.
No.
Where are the fishermen? Aren't there fishermen alongside the river?
Yeah. No, there's snakes.
Jake will show you. Jake showed you where they are.
Where are the fishermen?
Right there.